Get youthful and fair skin in 7 days with red wine face mask and facial. Red wine could make the skin glowing, more youthful, fairer and engaging within couple of days. Red wine is wealthy in antioxidants, for example Resveratrol, which will help within the formation of recent skin cells. Additionally, it repairs your skin cells and heals scar tissue. Any spots onto the skin may also be faded should you apply red wine to the skin. It'll condition and tone the skin. This will raise the way to get oxygen along with other nutrients for your skin. This provides you with a pinkish glow. Red wine face mask 4. A fairer skin. Combine together 1 egg white, 4 teaspoons red wine, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of sugar cane powder. Apply this face pack to your neck and face and lightly massage. Leave it on for around 10 minutes in your face after wash with warm water. Wine facial with oil 4. A more youthful skin. Wash the face and scrub it for 510 minutes to get rid of the trapped dirt that's present within the follicles. Steam the face for 510 minutes to spread out in the pores. Combine 3 teaspoons red wine with 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil or other oil of your liking. Massage this to your neck and face for 15 minutes. Wine and aloe vera mask for a fresh skin. Combine together 4 teaspoons red wine and a pair of teaspoons aloe gel to create a face mask. Put it onto your face. Ensure that it stays in your face for 10 minutes to get a clear, fairer, and more youthful searching skin.